Mr. Meeksies! Okay, they got I was recording. Practice. I'm actually playing a lot better than before. Like a day ago, I was not hitting slip slaps. Okay. I can't ball around the whole map. Very hard for me because I have one arm. Okay. Okay. I have to lock in now. Okay. I was even going for the slip slap. I'm trying to hit off of the slippery walls, though, not red walls. Kind of like this. It's very easier, but it doesn't get you that far. Ow! I cut the side of my hand. Okay, I'm gonna hit my most favorite route to bridge. Where I'm gonna try this new route I saw on YouTube Short. So just like do 360. Did I hit that? Or you can just do it easy. It's pretty easy, but the very simple. Very simple. Everybody can do that. I did not see that. Oh, here's this freaking Rick and Morty, bro. Frick. Yeah, I stuck with my left hand. That's why I just made my right. Okay, I still can't do that, but I can do literally almost everything else. I'm Mr. Meeksies. Look at me. Frick, bro. I actually sold, bro. Okay. He's obsessed with being harder every single time, bro. What? What did I hit? Okay, I'm gonna hit my final route. It's from stump all the way up there. I'm just learning it, and I get stuck a lot because it causes me to go upside down. Yeah, I get stuck here. Wherever my controller loses its tracking. See? I'm ready to try that again, but like on the actual bridge though. Because shorter. Frick. I suck with one hand. So that's the end of the video. So you saw 8 minutes of my actual skill. Hopefully I can get a lot better within the span of a week. So bye.